Bhoi Boxing Association, Haka Jingatrelang, but Meghalaya Boxing Association, Haka Katniotric Nailar, Kalapalong, Lympung, Kura, Kabalaisngi, Yakabala Yoban Sdang, Mentakasngi, Katniotric, but in Penkut Haka Kat Kandaitric Nailar, Yakabala Tipkum ka BFI, E Zone Elite Men's Boxing Championship Arjar Arpulai, Kabaningkong E Apok Bhoi District, Yakabala Pelong, Hamadan Kurkalang Bhoi Rumbong. Hakani ka Lympung ye Kura lawan bani Shimenta de kirang ye lekai na South Li Kejala ki bakentup Kejala Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim bat Kejala Meghalaya. Yakani ka Lympung ye Kura lawan ban Pliperda da Uraja Brahma ADC ka Bhoi, haka jingadan ringkat uba Krobok Pasa Assistant Director of Sports, John F. Kharshing Working President ka MSOA, Jaslal Pradhan Vice President ka Boxing Federation of India, S. Paslin DSP Bhoi, ba Cornelius Kharhunai President Meghalaya Boxing Association, Larry Kharpran, Joint Secretary Boxing Association of India, but kiwe kibla sakhi yakani ka Lympung.
Over to our Bhoi Boxing Association President, Cornelius Kharhunai. He contacted me a few weeks ago and he told me, sir, where are you? I was posted outside the district. And he told me, sir, be our guest of honor. Please come here. I told that I cannot interfere the jurisdiction of one district to another district. But the faith is there that today I'm in Bhoi district only and I'm presenting as a chief guest. Thank you. So Destin has once again brought me the platform in front of the youth. I thank all the participants. I welcome our boxers from Sikkim, Bengal, and our Assam, neighboring state Assam, and of course Meghalaya. I pray there will be a good boxing match, Then I want to give very thanks to our Sikkim brothers that will come with our delegates and all family. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Ajulaya. Welcome, sir. Meghalaya. At the same time, from Assam, we like to welcome you. Tomar the boxer yet I say, Tomar Dhanyavad them. All the best. Bhalkari, medal jitibe. Jita medal jitile. Moi jo prashna karo our Meghalaya to basic gold medal paibe niki. Thank you. Ngaduai belum ko boxer jongi na Meghalaya. Mo nimle bha te niru kwa local boxer jongi min job gold medal mo. The sport the best player in job of football. With this work and like our headman from Lumdak Club, Barumpa, he was always an inspirational character for all the Bhoi district. Barumpa, I thanks. So without taking much time, once again I thanks to all of you present here. Kamtamnamle long sports organization. It felt like nice to be presenting such occasion where we meet a positive frame of mind, a positive development for the youth. I just pray what our Dr. John Kharshing has told that yes, our Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sangma has been playing a vital role and a lot of sports activity is happening all around the state. I think such activity will not only change the the mind frame of the youth from getting to wrong direction, but it is being a positive way, good direction. Sports is such an activity that you can, not only development of your physical but mentally also you're very strong to face an opportunity, a competitive level and anywhere. So once you are a sports person, once you have a mental power, I think you are a youth of the future of this country, for the state. With these few words, I'd like to thank everybody and each of you. Thank you very much having me. Kubleshi Hajama, Kubleshi Bwa.
Great. Aman, di ana banko. Apa berkaru plat jeping minggu wi. Yo, come đi coi. Chiro. Yo, tira. Hey, tira. Cover कर पड़ा. Very good. Good, Shiva. हाँ. Stop. Hey, head up. Box. Apa berkaru. ये बहुत अच्छा। बहुत बढ़िया। निकल। पंचोड़ काम करके मत कर भाई जाना खत्म यार मार घुमा दे लेफ्ट मारे घुमा दे हाँ निकल कुछ जा लेफ्ट मारा लेफ्ट मार राइट मारना घूम रहा घूम जा Bang.